Now, when we talk about the Indian roads, cars like the Toyota Fortuner have their own charm and the big demand in our market. And the reason is simple, because on our roads, it is considered that size is might. However, what I want to talk about today as part of our Break the Habit series is to urge you to break the habit of not having civic sense while out on the public roads. You see, people like big cars because it gives them the peace of mind of not having to deal with bad civic sense on the road. Now, this is not something that I can explain with numbers, statistics, this or that. It is something that you and I, users of Indian roads, experience every day. Simple things we want you to keep in mind. Maintain lane discipline, give space to people, allow people to overtake you. Not every time is it about your ego versus somebody else. And if you have a big, wonderful car like this, make sure you enjoy it in the right way. So break the habit and follow lane discipline on the Indian roads.